Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video we have learned about how to create the user and how to create the user groups in IAM. So now in this video we are going to do how to add the user into the group. Let's get into the video. Now we are in the IAM dashboard. I'm just checking. Yeah, we have created this group. There are no users, you can see, and I'm going to that group to add the users. You can see I'm going to add users and choosing the user which I have created in the previous video. Add user had successfully added to the group. You'll get a pop-up message like this, and also you can check the permissions. If you want to remove the group member, we can do like that. And the permissions which I have gave in the previous video, the administrator access to that user via this group, and we can add the permissions, attach the policies and create inline policies using this. Now I'm going back to the dashboard to show you how to create an yeah, we have already created the IAM account. Now we are in the root account login, so you can see there's account ID and the sign in URL for IAM user. And now I'm creating a account alias. We can directly log in through our IAM account with this without using the root account, so that's not a best practice. So I'm just creating a alias group for my AWS account. Create alias. Yeah, I have created the alias account, which is my name. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly log in through my IAM account instead of using the root account. So the complete details will be changed. I can sign in using the URL, or I can sign in using the IAM account with login password and the user ID. Just open this URL in the new tab. The other tab will automatically disconnected, so make sure while using this. Yeah, we can use both, like root account or the user IAM, but I'm using the IAM. We can enter the 12 digit account number or the alias name, which is Sai Charan 5. So it's already signed out because I'm going to sign in other tab. Click on next. Now we have to use the IAM user name, which is Sai Charan capital S with so that user we have already created in the previous video. I already showed, and we have to enter the password which we have given. See in the above box it's pop up like account ID or alias name. We can use both account ID or the alias name, and in the IAM username we have to use the IAM name. So my password got expired, so I'm just creating a new password. I have already created a password, just I'm logging it again because of the security issues. Alias name and the username, which is Sai Charan. The password. See, now you're in the direct IAM account, because in the previous the tabs it shows the account number, but now you can see my alias name there, and You can see my global access, which is United States Ohio. So the service which I'm using is belongs to that zone.